Fuel generator plating was rushed. Keep those ties from landing a lucky shot. Sensors indicate enemy starfighters have joined the battle.
Goodbye.
They're trying to take out the fuel generators before they activate. Hold them off. Our ships are taking fire from enemy starfighters.
Fighters locking onto you.
Got him.
You lost him. Good job.
Those field generators are fragile. We must protect them while they come online.
Confirmed.
Excellent.
Check your six.
Ship destroyed.
We've nearly held back their advance wave. If we just take out a few more of their fighters, our people should be able to escape. Those field generators can't take much damage as it is. Protect them.
Shook him off.
Our techs are rushing repairs. Keep up the fight, or there won't be anything left to fight for. Repel them off for as long as we can. Our people will live to fight.